Hi, this is Christina with WTI. Have you been looking to upgrade your old mouse pad for a while now? Well, here's the Tropical Leaves non-slip mouse pad. And I love this because it is washable, super easy to wash. If you spill any coffee on it, that's usually what I'm spilling on my mouse pads. But it's also just a really stylish mouse pad. I love the design on here. It comes in a lot of different options. And it's super lightweight, so it's really easy to just roll up, put in your purse or your laptop case and take with you. So I use it with my laptop and my desktop. I use it all over the place. Really easy and convenient to carry around. And it's really good quality for the price. So it's not very much money, and looks like it's a lot more than it is. So I'm always looking for something that's a good deal. This is one of them. If you're looking for something that's really durable, gonna last you a while, but also just really nice. It'll spruce up your desk area. You'll get some compliments. This is the new mouse pad for you. I think you'll be really happy with it, but that's just my point of view.